Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. Welcome to this expansive 6 bedroom, 5 bathroom residence. It is nestled in the serene, gated community of Florence Hall in Trelawny. Designed with versatility and comfort in mind, it is perfect for large families or those seeking income earning opportunities. The main floor features 2 bedrooms and 1 bathroom, complemented by a convenient powder room for guests. Upstairs, the expansive living area is ideal for entertaining, complemented by 3 ensuite bedrooms, each with its own private bathroom. The home is in proximity to schools, shopping, and recreational amenities. Your new home awaits. Guys, let's take a look at this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is US 384,000 or Jamaican $60.2 million. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching guys.